Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 search problem. Here you can see I click the search button and try to search something and it's not giving any results. Even I click the start button and then search something, it's not showing any result here as well. So here is how to fix it. Simply click the Windows plus I keyboard shortcut from the keyboard and search for indexing. In the results, click on indexing options. On the next window, click on advanced button, and in the section troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index. Simply click the rebuild button, and it's saying rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some view and search result might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. So click OK and wait for it to finish the indexing again. As you can see, 18 item indexed and it start counting. You have to wait for it. As you can see, the indexing is completed and you just click the close button to close it. Close the settings. Let's try restarting it. So I just came back to after restarting the computer. And now let's try the search option. As you can see, now I can search anything in this search button and also in the Windows button as well. So that's it guys. This is how you can fix the Windows 11 indexing for search. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.